Hi guys, this is Obi Kitchen and you're welcome to my channel. Today I'll be sharing with you a perfect brioche bread recipe. This bread is ultra soft, rich and buttery. This brioche bread is fluffy, airy, with sweet tender crumbs. So today I'll be showing you a step-by-step recipe on how you can make your fluffy, buttery and soft brioche bread at home. To start, I'll be measuring 3 cups of all-purpose flour into a sieve. You can use bread flour if you choose to. Then 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Then I will sieve it out. I'll be sieving this to avoid lumps or dirt. After sieving the flour, I'll be adding other ingredients into the bowl. Here I'll be adding 4 tablespoons of sugar, 1 tablespoon of dry yeast, 1 teaspoon of powdered vanilla flavor. After that, I'll give the dry ingredients a good mix to combine. Then the next ingredient is the egg, 1 large size egg. Then 1 cup of milk. I'll be adding the milk gradually as I mix. Your milk must be warm. You're going to use warm milk for this recipe, and that's the only liquid you will use to make this dough. Adding butter, eggs, and milk to your bread gives it a unique flavor with soft crumbs. After a while, I will now transfer my bread dough to my work surface. This is no mixer recipe. We are going to knead this dough by hand. I'll be working on it for 10 to 15 minutes. Kneading your bread dough makes the gluten develop well for better bread, chewy and with very nice crumbs. Now I'll be adding 50 grams of butter. Unsalted butter, but you can use margarine if you choose to. I'll be kneading my bread dough until it's stretchy, non-sticky, and when you press it, it bounces back. Smooth. Brioche bread is a tender loaf bread with subtle sweetness. Very delicious. I mean super delicious. After kneading, I'll be transferring this bread dough into a bowl and cover it up to rise for 30 minutes. Before transferring the dough into the bowl, I'll first of all rub some vegetable oil in the bowl. Rub it with some vegetable oil, then transfer the dough into it, then rub some vegetable oil on the dough before covering it with a cling film. Then we'll allow it to rise. This is a very delicious bread recipe and quite easy to make. With this brioche bread recipe, it is time to say goodbye to store-bought breads because you'll be able to be making bread at home for your family. Let's cover the dough with a cling film, then set it aside and allow it to rise for 30 minutes before we continue. How do you like your bread? Is it for sandwich or you spread jam on them? Butter, chocolate, whichever way you love eating your bread. This brioche bread recipe is perfect for it. After covering up the dough, I will set the bowl aside. Then I'll go ahead and prepare our bread pan. This is the bread pan and I'll be greasing the pan with some butter. Be generous with your butter when you grease. Rubbing your bread pan with some butter makes it much easier for your bread loaf to come out after baking. After greasing the pan, I will then set it aside and go check the dough. We'll check how far the dough has gone. Then I'll also check the time because it's 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, then we are on to the next step. It's time to remove the cling film. Then after removing the cling film, I'll be giving my bread dough a soft punch or soft press in order to remove air trapped in the dough. After that, I'll then transfer my bread dough onto my work surface and go ahead and give it another good press. After pressing, I'll be cutting this bread dough into smaller sizes. I will cut it into 6 smaller sizes. After cutting, I'll be folding and rolling the dough into my baking pan. I'll be folding each of the small doughs and arrange them in my bread pan. When folding and arranging, make sure there is a little space for the dough to rise. So you stretch, tuck in, and roll. Stretch, tuck in, and roll. Fold in very well. After this, we'll be covering the bread dough. Set it aside, keep it in a warm place to rise. This dough is going to rise and double in size before baking. We are done with this. I'll just use the cover and cover it up, then allow it to rise for 1 hour. 1 hour. After 1 hour, the bread dough has risen so nicely. I'll be transferring it into my preheated oven and bake it at 200 degrees centigrade for 40 minutes. With a little scallop design at the top. After 40 minutes, our brioche bread is ready. This bread baked so well, golden brown and crusty. Let's bring it out from the pan. We just flip the pan over and bring the bread out. Wow, this is well baked. I hope you will try this my brioche bread recipe. It is super nice, very soft and fluffy. Wow. It's time to cut it open and check the quality and the taste. Wow. Okay, now I'll be giving it a cut. I will slice and have a bite. I hope you will give this recipe a try. This bread is very soft, fluffy, and airy. This bread recipe is perfect for sandwich or French toast. You can also spread your jam on it, butter or chocolate spread. Whichever way you love it, this bread is okay. Will you be trying this recipe at home? Let me know that in the comment section. This bread is so fluffy, very soft. Very soft. This is me saying a very big thank you to my returning subscribers and to everyone who finds time to watch my videos. Thank you all. I love you guys. And if you're stopping by for the first time, please do well to like my videos, share them, and please subscribe to my channel for more easy food recipes. If you have any video requests, please drop it in the comment section and I will gladly attend to it. Thank you all for watching and I will see you in my next video. Bye.